Welcome friends on my YouTube channel Learn with Mahesh Gade. Today we are going to learn figure of speech part 2nd. For watching part 1st, please open the link given in the description.
In this video, we will learn the figure of speech, simile, repetition, apostrophe, rhyme and onomatopoeia. Friends, the first figure of speech is simile. We call it upma in Marathi. A direct comparison is made between two objects of different kind which have at least one point. Usually, like, as, so, such words are used here. म्हणजेच एखाद्या वाक्यात जर दोन वस्तू, व्यक्ती, प्राणी, गुणवैशिष्ट्ये, किंमत, महत्त्व इत्यादीची प्रत्यक्षरित्या तुलना केलेली असेल आणि त्यामधील एकमेव साम्य दाखविण्यासाठी लाईक, ॲज, सो अशा शब्दांचा वापर केला असेल, अशा वेळेला सिमिली हा अलंकार होतो. द एक्झाम्पल्स आर आय वॉज wandering like a cloud. Second example, it is as clear as crystal. The second figure of speech is repetition. We call it punaravritti in Marathi. In this figure of speech, same words are repeated here. म्हणजेच या ठिकाणी एखादा शब्द वाक्यामध्ये पुन्हा पुन्हा वापरला जातो आणि हा अलंकार होतो. एक्झाम्पल, रेन रेन कम अगेन. सेकंड, जॉनी जॉनी यस पापा. इन अबव एक्झाम्पल्स, रेन रेन, जॉनी जॉनी, these type of words are used by the poet and make figure of speech repetition. The third figure of speech is apostrophe. We call it paroksh or sambodhan in Marathi. In this figure of speech, a direct address is made to the dead non-living objects, plants, animals, birds and absent persons like God, etc. यामध्ये मृत, निर्जीव प्राणी, पक्षी, मानवीकृत, कल्पना यांना प्रत्यक्ष संबोधून बोललं जातं. कवी या सगळ्या ज्या गोष्टी आहेत, या सगळ्या गोष्टींना त्या गोष्टी समोर आहेत असं संबोधून बोलत असतो. अशा वेळेला ॲपॉस्ट्रोफ हा अलंकार होतो. एक्झाम्पल, ओ मून गिव्ह मी अ मून लाईट. Second example, please help, keep it safe, oh God. In these two examples, the poet is addressing to the moon and God. The fourth figure of speech is rhyme. We call it amak in Marathi. A rhyme is a repetition of similar sounds in the final stressed syllabus. ओळीतील शेवटच्या शब्दातील अक्षरांचे उच्चार या ठिकाणी सारखे असल्यासारखे वाटतात, याचा उच्चार सारखा होत असतो. द एक्झाम्पल इज, ओ प्लीझंट प्लीझंट वेअर द डेज, द टाइम when in our childish plays. Days, plays. Second example, in the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain. Lane and rain. These types of rhyming words are used in this figure of speech. The fifth figure of speech is onomatopoeia, means dhwani alankar in Marathi. Here, word itself expresses sound. It means that the sound words are used here. वाक्यात आवाज किंवा ध्वनिदर्शक शब्द वापरलेले असतात. The example is water flock into pond, splash splash downhill. The second example, the dog's boo boo is creating noise. In the first example, splash splash, and in the second example, boo boo. These types of sound words are used in this figure of speech. For more information, here I am giving more words of sound words. Here are the examples. If it is important for you, pause this video and learn and write down sound words. Friends, I think these figure of speech are important for 9th and 10th classes student. So, I have prepared this video. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Learn with Mahesh Gade, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.